16 o'clock there's a big black cloud with one raindrop and it's 10 degrees and the wind is 10. And then we're going to have some thunder and lightning and some earthquakes and hurricanes for laugh. And then we're going to have for flying fish. And then we're going to have Kermit the Frog. Thank you.
Right.
And then we're going to have Miss Piggy. Thank you. And then we're going to have a nice heavy rainstorm. If we can get to it. Okay. Thank you. And that's it then, I think, isn't it? Yeah. And then we're going to have Dan Intuit and Stuart and some crocodiles. And that's how the weather does for the thunder. And we're gonna have more thunder and lightning than earthquakes and hurricanes for laugh. And then we got Dan and Stuart into it for laugh as well. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe. And goodbye. Goodbye.